In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use SUMIF in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know how to quickly total up only the numbers that match a condition you care about, like values greater than a certain amount or those equal to a target. Start by opening your sheet and navigating to the exact cell where you want the result to appear. This is the destination for the SUMIF formula. Click into that cell so it's active. Now, look for the formula options. In Smartsheet, you can type directly in the cell, or you can open the formula tools and use the right-hand panel to help you build it. In that panel, search for SUMIF, then select it to begin setting up the function. Next, choose the cells you want to include in your calculation. These are the numbers that will be added up, but only if they meet the condition you're about to define. Drag to select the range, or click the first cell and shift-click the last one. After selecting your cells, insert a comma to move to the criteria part of the formula. Now, enter your condition. Think of this as the rule that each number must pass to be included in the sum. Common comparison operators include greater than, less than, or equal to. In practice, you'll type the operator followed by the value. For example, to add only values greater than 100, you'd use 100. For less than or equal to 50, you'd use + 50. If you're typing the formula directly, it typically looks like SUMIF your range, 100. Notice that comparison operators with numbers are usually wrapped in quotation marks, so Smartsheet reads them correctly. If your condition is equality, you can use =100 to sum only numbers exactly equal to 100. Keep your criteria clear, avoid extra spaces, and choose a value that matches the data type in your cells. When you're satisfied with the setup, click Apply in the right panel to insert the completed formula into the cell. Give your sheet a moment to calculate, and you should see the total appear immediately. If the result isn't what you expect, double-check that the selected range is correct and that your condition uses the right operator and value. Small details like missing quotes or an unintended extra space can change the outcome. That's it. You've just used SUMIF in Smartsheet to sum only the numbers that meet your chosen condition, giving you a clean, focused total right where you need it.